Hello student, today we will study the last separating technique of mixture. It is by separation by the distillation. In this test, the distillation process is the process of heating a liquid to form a vapor and then cooling the vapor to get back the liquid. The distillation process is the liquid by the heating it convert into the vapors, it means gas, and then this vapor after cooling it is convert into the liquid again. The distillation process is based on this principle. Liquid, when we heat the liquid, it convert into the vapor, and then when we cool this vapor, means condense this vapor, it convert into the again liquid. Again I am repeating, distillation is the process of heating a liquid to form vapor and then cooling the vapor to get back liquid. Like example, we can obtain salt from salt water by the evaporation process. So we can obtain the salt from sea water by the evaporation process, but in this process water cannot be recovered during the evaporation. It is lost in the air. Water cannot be recovered during the evaporation, it is lost into the air, only salt have left. In order to recover both salt as well as water from a salt water, from a sea water mixture, the process of the distillation is used. So this is the distillation process. Let us study of the process of the distillation. In the distillation process, first we take a mixture which we want to separate the component. First we take a mixture in a round bottom flask. This is a round bottom flask. We take a mixture in this round bottom flask, like the salt water. In this we will take a salt solution, sea water, salt solution in this round bottom flask, and close it properly and keep it on the tripod stand. Arrange here Bunsen burner for heating the liquid, and one delivery tool means condenser is also attached in this round bottom flask. Here this is the condenser, and this is the second point of this tube. It is fitted in the another beaker, and this is the condenser. Here is one pipeline, and this is the second tube, and it is the water out, because decreasing the temperature, and it is water in. This water in. This is round water first. This is the condenser. It is condenser. First we take a mixture which we want to separate. It means it is salt solution in this activity. First we take a mixture in this round water flask, and we arrange this flask on a tripod stand, and we will start the heating of this solution. First, because the temperature of the water, boiling point of water, it is less, it is 100 degrees Celsius compared to the salt. That's why water convert into the vapor at 100 degrees Celsius, and these vapors go into this delivery tube, and when we pass in this delivery tube, because of the condenser, it is decrease the temperature of this tube. That's why due to decrease this temperature, the vapor convert into the liquid, and liquid collect in the another beaker. So this is the pure water, or the after removal of the water, only salt have left in this flask. The two conditions for this distillation. First, it is distillation can also be used to separate a mixture of two mixable liquid having different boiling point, and the second is to separate the mixture of two or more mixable liquid for which the difference in the boiling point it is minimum less than 25 Kelvin. So these are the conditions for distillation. Thank you.